Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn English sentences for daily use. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So without wasting of time, let's begin. उसे करने दो जो वो कर रहा है. Let him do what he is doing. Let him do what he is doing. मेरे पीछे मत चलो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. ये वहाँ पर दस्तयाब है. It's available over there. It's available over there. तुम किस मर्ज़ की दवा हो? What are you here for? What are you here for? मुझे ऐसे मत देखो. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. मुझे हिचकिचाहट महसूस होती है. I feel hesitation. I feel hesitation. आप कल रात कहाँ थे? Where were you last night? Where were you last night? नेकी का ज़माना ही नहीं है. It's not right time to do good. It's not right time to do good. मेरे उसके साथ अच्छे तल्कात नहीं हैं. I don't have good terms with him. I don't have good terms with him. वो मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा. He is not on speaking with me. He is not on speaking with me. मेरे हाथ बंधे हुए हैं. My hands are tied. My hands are tied. Tied mean बंधे हुए. खुद को संभालो. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. अपना जहन बनाओ. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. आपका दफ्तर कब खुलता है? When does your office open? When does your office open? इस मौजू पर बात नहीं हुई. This point was not touched. This point was not touched. मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. Stuck mean फंस गया. मीटिंग मुलतवी कर दी गई. Meeting has been postponed. Meeting has been postponed. आज रात यहाँ आराम करें. Take rest here night. Take rest here tonight. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.